In this video, we'll discuss about plumbing things in Revit, how we can design and model the plumbing piping as well, the fire protection as well, the chilled water connections. So let's start. So first of all, I'll create a plumbing template right there. So I'll click on new and click on plumbing template and okay. Now that's a very fresh model that I opened in this one. So first of all, we'll start with the architecture link that we already have. We already designed that one in our previous videos. So I'll open that one. Yeah. Now right here, we have this toilet. I did not give the name, but as we'll consider this one as a toilet, this one will also consider as a toilet, and this one. So let's start designing that one. How we can design the plumbing fixtures first of all, and we'll go with the piping thing as well. So I'll first start with the plumbing fixtures. So I'll go in the systems tab right there. I'll click on plumbing fixtures, and then I'll place a sink. Consider as a toilet sink, toilet laboratory, because we do not have any family till now. So we'll consider this thing as a laboratory thing. So I'll place this one, but first of all, if you'll see that if I'll place it on face, it will go at the level 0 with the elevation of 0. It means it will place on the floor, but we do not want that one because it should have some elevation from the floor. So for that one, what we can do, we'll go on the work plane, but as of now, do not have any work plane. It is level 0 and level 1. That is our default levels. So first of all, we'll create a level before placing a plumbing fixture, which has a kind of some height, or we can say a family is like that. It's hosted family. So first of all, I'll click on reference plane, but first of all, I'll create a section so that I'll give the offset of the reference plane. So I'll go in the section right here. I'll just go with the some kind of elevation of that one. So right here we can see that's level 0, and from there I want around 1200 height, and then right there I wanted to create my reference plane. Then I'll click on reference plane in in system tab is also right there, and we can create from architecture tab as well. Same thing is right there. So I'll click on reference plane and I'll create a reference plane from right there. I'll name it so that in future I should know that what it is actually. So I'm giving it a name as plumbing fixture. It's fine. I'll delete these lines because now the work has done. I'll come in my plan and now I'll place the family. That's one shortcut of flowing fixture is PX. So either you can go right there or you just type PX for that one. So I'll place a plane fixture now. I'll click on work plane and right there I'll select the placement plane as my reference plane and I'll simply click. But right now the family is 180-degree rotated. So I wanted to rotate this one, but as of now I cannot. But I can check this box so that I can rotate this one after placement. So I'll place it right there, somewhere right here. Yeah. Now I'll rotate it by 180 degrees so that it will be at a good position. So that you can see these are water supply connector. This is drain connector, and it's placed. Now same, I wanted to place a drainage toilet, what we can say WC, I wanted to place right there. So I'll click on that one. I'll go for water closet. And yeah, there are a lot of families, but I'll select this one, private 6.1 LPF. That is a little per flush. So I'll place somewhere else. There should be some clearance, like 15 inches clearance should be from the wall. Oh, this is the section line. Okay, we can move it a little bit right there. Yeah. So there should be some clearance. Okay, we have given a good clearance right now. Okay, no worries. So I'll place a toilet, and if you'll see this WC, this is wall based WC. If you'll go right there, I'll bit move it for you with the back inside. This is our WC, sorry, this is our wash basin at the height of 1200. But this is our WC that is wall mounted. How I can know that is wall mounted? Because if you'll see, its drain is in the wall, okay, and it's a bit offset from the level zero as well. It means it will not it will not take the support of the floor. It will take the support of the wall, and its drain will be in the wall, not at the floor. So that's how we can predict this wall mounted WC. There will be floor mounted as well. It depends on the situation. The drain will go down to the floor directly, but in this case, it will go in the wall and then it will drop it down in the underground thing. So we'll connect this one as well, but as of now, we'll connect different toilets as well. So first of all, I'll create WC for this one as well. I'll place WC right there somewhere. Yeah. And then the wash basin as well. Work plane, reference plane. I'll place right there somewhere. Yeah. That's finished. $2 we already done now. We'll come with the third one. And then I'll go CS I'm placing. It means create similar thing. So I'll place my WC right there. The column is right there, so please make sure that you are not um, placing any plumbing fixture in front of that one, because the water supply or drain connection will go through the wall. So we'll take care of that thing. So I'll place WC. So I'll PX and place sink and work plane, reference plane is right there. I'll rotate it after placement, and it will be like 90-degree. Oh, it's wrong one. Okay, no worries. We'll rotate it. Click on rotate command or R enter. You can place it, but right now I'll go with this one, 180 degree. Oh, 180 degree. Perfect. This is quite near, right? So I'll give it a bit, but please make sure that these pipes output will not clash with this structure thing. Okay, so we have placed this one. Now, what we'll do, we'll go right there. Yeah, that's fine. So we have placed the plumbing fixtures as of now, the major plumbing fixtures that we normally have. You can place the urinal as well if you want, but that's the same thing. Like how we can connect that we'll see with the WC, that how we can connect the toilet connections for water supply and drainage. Now, we'll go with the piping thing. So the shortcut command is PI, or you can go right there as well in systems. I'll click on pipe. First of all, please make sure that you are selecting correct system type. Okay. That's sanitary as of now. And for vent, we have vent, and for water supply, we have domestic cold water, domestic hot water. And for fire protection, we have dry others. It depends on your requirement, like what you're choosing, what kind of choosing you are choosing the system. Like it's water, it's foam, or other things as well. Chilled water, we have return hydraulic supply. It's from HVAC perspective. We'll see that one as well. No worries about that one. So first of all, we'll go with the sanitary, but I'll not select any pipe because I'll go with the drainage connection first of all. So right here you can see if I'll click on this one, there are two options, connector 1 and connector 2. Why connector 1 and connector 2? Because we know in WC there will be one water supply connection, one sanitary connection. So first of all, we'll go with the water supply connection. I'll click on OK, and you can see right here it's 28 dia pipe. Oh, let me cross check. First of all, it's 25. Why it's taking 28? Because I guess it does not have 25 dia pipe. Perfect. It does not have. So first of all, we'll create the pipe size that it needs. Okay. So I'll go right there. I'll select this one. It needs 25 mm for water supply and 80 mm for sanitary. Perfect. And what about this one? It needs 40 mm dia. Do we have 40 mm dia? Uh, no, sorry. It's yeah, it's PI. Diameter is 80, but we need 40. It does not have 40, so we need to create three pipe systems right there. So what we can do, we can click on PI, create any pipe. That's domestic cold water, right? That's domestic cold water. Okay. So I'll click on edit type. I'll go for the this one. Right here we can click on segment and sizes. Segment and sizes. There are different kind of things. So I'll click on new size. That will be first of all 40 mm, and the inside will be 39, I guess, and that will be 41 outside. Okay, perfect. The pipes already exist. Specify different pipes. It's already exist. 40 mm dia. Yeah, it's right there. But why it's not taking then? 40 dia pipe size right there. Then why it is not taking 40 mm? It's taking 42. It depends on the copper EN 1057 R290, correct? And what we were talking about is second sizes. Oh, it's different. That one was rather correct. Do we have 40 dia size in this one? Or 250? No, we do not have. Okay, okay, I got you. In that one we had, but not in this one. So I'll click on this one because this size we are using. Otherwise, we can change our pipe segment into that particular thing in which we have 40 dia. But right now I wanted to create a new one so that you can see how we can create. So right here we'll go with the 39 inside and 41 outside. Click on OK. Perfect. It's already created and OK. And now OK. Now if you'll see, we have 40 dia pipe size. Perfect. But this is in domestic cold water. What about domestic hot water? If I'll convert this one as domestic hot water, this segment is correct one. So I guess we'll have 40 dia. Correct. So we have 40 dia pipe size for water supply and drainage for both. But what about drainage? So if I'll convert into drainage, sanitary. So yeah, we are using this one, but in this one we need 80 dia pipe size. We do have? No, we do not have 80 dia pipe size in this one as well, and we want 25 as well. So 80 and 25 we need to create. So for that one, what we'll do, we'll again go right there at type and segments create. Oh, sorry, we need to change this one first of all, and 25 and 80 we need to create. So first of all, I wanted to create 25 and that will be 26. Okay, perfect. Now I'll create 80 dia pipe size as well. 80, that will be 79 and that will be 81. Why I'm considering 1 that will be the thickness of that one. The 2 thickness I'm considering. You can consider whatever you want or as per your um, um, that, that is as per your schedule, like schedule 40, schedule 80. There are different kind of schedules that we have for the thickness of those kind of things. But right now, for just um, creating a new pipe size, I'm just considering this one only. Okay, and yeah, I'll click on OK. Okay, perfect. So if I'll click on this one, we have 25, we have 80. Perfect. So no worries about that one. Now I'll go and plan again. I'll click on this one. I'll click on this one, and water supply I'll create. Okay. Slope we do not need slope, and it should be domestic cold water. Perfect. Now I'll click right there, and I'll go with upside. So I'll go with 2800 mm above, because the water supply pipe will go in the ceiling and it will go like this. Um, okay, why right there? Because we have something. Okay, I'll go right there and I'll not drop it right there. I'll drop it somewhere. Okay, CS. What I'm doing, I'm trying to connect it with the somewhere right. Consider it right there. Because sometimes what happens, the water supply will be given by municipality of that particular country or particular uh, thing you're talking about, but it's connected. It's not connected with this one. Perfect. Trim it. Perfect. So that is why I'm considering that water supply. Oh, it should go drop down from right there. So right there it will be dropped because the municipality pipe will go underground. So I'll drop it right there. I'm considering this is a mechanical room, okay? Right there, all the mechanical equipment we will place, and from right there, we'll consider that all the things from outside is coming in this room only, and that will go at minus 500 maybe, not 500, minus 600, and apply. The dial will be increased right there, but I'm not increasing as of now. Minus 600. Perfect. Why it's not showing? Because it is underground. So I'll cross check with the view range. It will be minus 1500. Why I'm doing this one? Because the drainage connection will be below than that. So I'll go with the minus 500 as of now. Oh, sorry. It should be minus 1500. Perfect. Now it's C, but it's not connected. So I'll connect this one first of all. I'll trim it. Perfect. I'm not considering pipe sizing as of now. If you want, then you can consider it. I'm just going through with the flow. If you will see that's connected with the single pipe, but what will happen? Like the pipe supply is coming from this, and it will go like that. It has raised from right there. Now it is supplying this toilet, this the other toilets as well. So we'll see how it will go. Then, if you want, then I can resize it, but as not as of now. It'll be okay. Uh, okay then. For this one, I'll again connect the water supply pipe. Right there, you can see this is cold water and this is hot water. Okay, so first of all, I'll connect this one with this one, but I should come right there. Okay, it will not directly connect it because the offset thing is right there. So I'll come like this. Why it's not taking? Let me see. Oh, okay. This connection is like from below. Yeah, it's going below. Okay. So I should go at maybe at 1000 first of all. Perfect. Not 1000. It should be 800. Sorry. Should be 800. Perfect. Now from right there, we'll raise it. Okay. So if I'll come like there, if I'll right click, I'll draw pipe with the top view. Okay, and I'll draw from right there to right there. Perfect. And then I'll connect with this. Perfect. Now we'll see in 3D, it's perfectly connected, I guess. Okay, it should be 800, but why it is not connected? Because, okay, it has gone down. Should be 800 again. It should be trimmed. Perfect. Oh, it's not aligned, I guess. It happens. Okay. Hmm. Perfect. That should be trimmed. Perfect. Now we'll see. This is our pipe. Okay. Now we'll do the same thing with this one as well. Should cancel this one. Okay. I'll go on my plan again and okay. First of all, we'll go with uh, the water supply connection, the cold water connection only. One thing I just forgot to mention that sometimes what happens, we consider both different pipes for this flush thing for the toilet WC and for this one cold water. That will be non-potable water. We are considering for flush, but potable water for this what we can say wash basin. If there are two different pipes, the connection will be like that one only, but it will not connect with the WC, or WC water supply pipe will not connect with the wash basin. Okay, but the connection I'm talking about, that will be like that one only. Okay, so right now we are connecting both the things with the same pipe. Again, I'll convert this one. I'm showing Blake because it's Blake. Okay, no worries. And if I'll move it right there, that will be great. Okay, perfect. Now I'll move it right there, and then we'll create a pipe from there. Draw a pipe. That will be domestic cold water. Perfect. No slope. We'll go like that, and this column. Okay, so we cannot penetrate the column. Okay. So I think we should not go in the wall. Then we'll keep it right there only. Okay, perfect. We're not penetrating any column, correct? We're not penetrating, correct. Now, the same thing we'll do from right there as well. I'll click on this cold water. It will go 800 down. Fine. 800 man. 800 down. It has gone. And after that, we'll go with the what is happening right there. It's creating or not? Oh, it's a long down now. Okay. No, sorry, that one was the previous one. Considering this one. Okay, did not create it, no worries. We'll create. That will be how much? 800, right? 800 down. No. Oh, that's sanitary. No. I guess I selected the wrong pipe. So it should go like this one, 800, and apply. Perfect. Now it should be right there. Perfect. Okay, perfect. And it'll go above 2800 mm height. Apply, and then from right there, come like this. Okay, it'll come like that. From right there, it'll connect with this one. Okay. Now I'll trim it, and then we'll connect this pipe as well. Oh, but let's see, it's connected or not properly. I doubt that's connected. Yeah, it's connected, I guess. Perfect. So that's connected now. Tab, yeah, perfect. Now the WC as well. The water supply connection. Okay. Water supply will be directly whatever the connection will be right there, and then it'll raise it 2800 mm. Apply. Fine, but it should align with this one. Okay, perfect. Go enough space thing. Okay, we'll see. What's the problem right there? Space thing. What is the space thing, man? Okay, first of all, this pipe. Okay, well, dia thing we'll consider. Okay, and then this. Okay, it's just not like that one. Okay, no worries. Ah, if I'll move it just right there. Perfect. Now run the plan. Wait, I'll connect it right there only. Cannot make elbow, Y elbow thing. What is the issue right there? Not sure. Yeah, we'll see. But first of all, my aim was to resize it because the size will be minimum. This is how much? 25. So at least it should be. What is the pipe size? Is this one? 15. Okay. 15 dia, but it should be at least 40 mm dia. So I'll tab it. Okay. Select it. Should be 40 mm dia pipe size, not this one, but I slice this one right there. Okay. And then I'll treat this one as of now, and I'll see in 3D what's going on right there. Okay. Mm-hmm. Plan. Move it right there. Draw pipe right there. Okay. That was the issue that it was far away from this one, but we'll align. Mhm. And 3D, it will be connected now. This perfect. Second, because the pipe of that one is bigger one, and that is what we were considering, that this should be 40. Okay, this should be at least 40 mm pipe size, but has it converted? This one is 25, and this is 25. Okay, not 40. It will be 25 only. Okay, we'll consider it 25. Perfect. Okay, so that's connected now. What is supply connection? Perfect. So we have connected this one, this one, this one. It's coming down right there. It's connected with this one and this one. Similarly, we can do with this one. I'm not connecting as of now because we are running delay a little bit. Um, the video will be very longer. I'll connect with the same hot water pipe with the hot water connection. I'm doing for one. You can follow the same procedure with all of them. It should be 800 mm below, and then from right there, we can go like should wireframe. From right there, it should come like how much height? 20, 800 mm, so that it will be parallel with what's going on right there. So, but right now at the crossing time, please make sure that you are dropping down a little bit or raising it a little bit, something like that. Apply, and then from right there, you can either you can pop up again so that you can go parallel 2800 mm, and then you can go with this one like that. The same right here, you can drop it down with the minus 600 offset, and then you can go like that. Okay, same thing you can do. You can align with these one. Perfect. Now we have connected hot water and cold water both. If you want to see in 3D, you can check it out. Not WC. You can see this one with wash basin. Yeah, not this one. Okay, I'll go with this. Yeah, right here. We can click on this one and you can see the hot water and cold water pipe right there. Now one connection is pending of drainage. Okay, so how you can connect the drainage pipe? Simply click on this icon. After clicking on the plumbing fixture, click on this icon, 80 mm dia pipe size. It should come straight first of all with the slope. Okay, should be down. Why? Because the drain will go in the slope direction. There's not any pressure pipe, those kind of things. So it will go down like that one. And from right there, you can select the slope. I'll go with the 1:80, and then I'll click right there, and it will be dropped down. And I'll go minus um, 800, maybe I'll go with minus 700. We'll see. Okay, and from right there, either you can go straight, but there's not any sense. Our building boundary is right there. So first of all, I'll go right there. I'll click there and I'll go with the fine mode. And I'll tell you two things right there. What two things are? those are like where this drain will go, first of all. This one as well, okay? Right now, all the buildings' drains will be connected in one single pipe, and that pipe will go in a sewerage line of that particular city. Uh, that sewer line will be a straight pipe, sewerage pipe that we call it, or there are some manholes so that we can drop our sewer pipe, sewer, all the sewerage in that manhole, and that manhole will be connected with the sewer line then. There are two ways, or otherwise there will be a sewer pipeline right there directly. Then we can collect all the drain of our building with a single pipe, single header pipe that we can call that one, and that header pipe will be connected with the sewer line. Like suppose this is our main header line. This is not, but suppose this is our header line, and this will be connected like I'll tell you like uh, like this one, and I'm converting this one as a header pipe. That will not be like that, but I'm telling you how this process will work. This slope will be up, and this will be like row, and this will be down. Okay, imagine this is our sewer line. But the dia of this one will be very big. Suppose I'm considering this will be like 300, 400 mm dia pipe size it will be. Okay, so our main header pipe will be connected in this one like that way. Okay, and this is not any different port will be connected with this one. All the sewer line like this drain will be connected with this header line first, and this header line will go like that way. Okay, so that's how this drain connections will be covered. So we have converted all the drain pipes right there. I did not create any new pipe systems. If you wanted to create new pipe systems like different kind of piping systems, so you can go directly in families and piping systems right there. There will be different piping systems for you. If you wanted to create for water supply, these are two. If you wanted to create for fire, there are different fire and chilled water. We use these one. For sanitary, yes, we can create any of the sanitary system with this help. Like if you want to create the west pipe, you want to create the soil pipe, different kind. For right there, you can see soil and waste as well. And this is our vent pipe. Okay, we did not create any vent connection, but vent connection will be above the ceiling for the WCs and urinals as well. Let me check if we can possibly convert this one. Yeah, we can convert, like it should be converted into T, and then from right there we can create a vent pipe. If I create the vent pipe, we should not connect that one because sometimes it takes the full color of that particular building. Is it done? I don't think so. That okay, no worries. Like we can go in section. Imagine this is WC. Okay, we did not converted the drain, but as of now, like if I'll create a drain connection for this one, okay. Oh, it's not taking. Is there any reason? Let's skip it. Okay, okay. Do have you? Let me cross check. It's not taking. Yeah, it's taking. Yeah, we can align with the wall later, but I'll just I'm just telling you that how you can connect um, the vent pipe. Okay, so suppose you want to create a vent pipe. First of all, you want to select that vent pipe because sometimes it does not select that one. And from right there, you can create that vent pipe and you can align with this one. Okay, perfect. Now, if you go in the 3D, it's not properly aligned, but you got the idea. I guess the vent pipe is far away, so it's not aligned the horizontal uh, horizontal network, as we'll see, the vent pipe is right there. It's right there, so we can move it from right there to right here. And the same, it will go with the in the ceiling, and the slope will be reversed. Reverse means uh, the gas will be right there in the vent pipe, so the slope will always be in the opposite direction of the actual flow, because gas will go at the upper side, always. Always. So it will be like that. So vent we already covered, water supply done, drainage is done. Now if we'll go with the chill water connections. Chill water we are now considering for drainage part or water supply part. It will be considered in HVAC mechanical part, but because this is the piping system, so we'll cover these pipes in this one as well. So chill water connections will be for the FCU only, so FCU and AHU specifically, the units I'm talking about. So suppose I'll place HU, maybe mechanical equipment, so we can press ME for mechanical equipment. So all the mechanical equipment will be okay. This is our PHE template, so that is why we cannot draw any mechanical thing right there. Okay, no worries. That'll be that's very simple. Like we can draw those pipes like water supply pipes. There's not any slope. There's not any kind of thing. The CDP concentrate drain pipe will have the slope, and the slope will be taken as we have drawn with the drainage pipes. Now, if I'll talk with the fire protection pipes are very simple. Press PI for fire, sorry, for creating a pipe, and right here, just convert this one as fire pipes. Suppose I'll go with the fire protection dry, and it will be above the ceiling wall, which always. So I'll go with the 2800 mm. Suppose this is our mechanical equipment is coming from right there with different pipe size, and suppose. Uh, I should take another thing for the fire protection, because otherwise it will clash with. Oh, it's inside the slope because we have created the drain pipe, so that is why it's taking the slope. No worries, we'll turn off the slope, and I'll go with 3 meter, 3 meter, and then we'll draw pipes from this area, and then this will be the middle, so I'll go like that. Okay, and I'll connect right there, and I'll drop it right there. This is our mechanical that I'm considering. Okay, and the pipes will be like this one for the sprinklers, and this one is also for the sprinklers. Right here, we also connect this one and this one. Okay, like this, our fire network. I'll place the sprinkler, and I'll connect one or two, and then you will see that how these sprinklers can be connected. Okay, right here it will be on the ceiling, so ceiling height is 2600 mm, we know. And I'll place the sprinkler. You can see pendant sprinkler, it means it will be hosted the on the what we can say, on the ceiling. So I'll connect with this one. You'll figure it out how we can connect the sprinkler pipes. Okay, so right here, this is a sprinkler, pendant sprinkler. You can see connect in two. If you wanted to connect, then you can directly connect, but it was not actually aligned, so that is why it's not taking. Okay, but suppose it is a bit right there. Okay, and now if I'll connect, not right there, because it's the ending of the pipe. Otherwise you can manually connect, the simple thing, you can click on this one, you will go with the 3 meter height, apply, and then you can draw. What's that one? It should be 3 meter, right? Let me cross check. It has drawn the 3 meter or not. It should actually. Uh, okay, okay. What is it? Okay, okay, it's not properly hosted. Okay, got it. It's, it's not properly hosted. No worries. Delete this one. I'll go in the plan again. I'll go with the sprinkler. Okay, vertical face, not on the face, just directly on the face. So I'll place it right there. I just wanted to see how it has placed. This time is this time is perfect. Okay, but that's the reverse direction. So I'll change the direction. Now it's good. Right there, I'll create the pipe at the above. Okay, so I'll click right there. Select this one and then connect into this one. It's connected now. Okay, so that's how you can connect. You can see how we have connected this pipe. Uh, it's 3 meters, so it's okay. Wrongly placed. That should be in the ceiling, and right now it's at the floor. Okay, no worries. You can delete this one, or you can. I guess let me cross check. Can we 20? No, 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 not negative. Should be where actually it has placed this one. It's going down. I have given this. Okay, no worries. I'll place one more. Okay, just control Z. Actually, that was the hosted one, and it has placed on the floor right here. Please make sure that you are giving proper offset, and then place on the face 0 on the work plane. Yeah, work plane we need to create the same way as we created with that one. So right here, if I'll create a work plane for the ceiling as well, I'll create a work plane right there for the ceiling, so that will be the name. If I'll give it to fire, okay. So we'll consider it as the sprinkler thing. Pick new one. If you'll click on that one as well, work plane, and then it'll be like fire. Perfect. Now I've just changed the work plane of this one that we already placed. Okay. Now if you'll see in 3D, it will be at the, sorry, not this one. It will be at the ceiling. You can see this is our ceiling and this is properly aligned. Like we can create the reference plane on the basis, but right now I just created the reference plane on the bottom of the ceiling. So that is why it is taking like that one. If we'll click on that one, it depends. It is just feel family thing. Otherwise, we can select as per the reference plane thing how we can do that. So I guess you got the point. How we can place the fire protection. We can draw the drainage. We can do how we can do the water supply things. How we can manage the slope. Those kind of things. That's all thing. The last one I want to tell you about the colors. Right here you can see this is sanitary pipe in green color, but suppose you want to change it, how you can change it? Just in the family tab, just click on piping systems, sanitary, right click on that one, go with the type properties, and right there you have the material thing as well. For 3D, in 3D if you want to change, but in 2D if you want to change, you can directly go in override graphics. You can change to magenta. I'll go with the magenta as of now. Click on OK. You can see we can change. You can change the other colors as well if you wanted to change. So I guess we have covered all the points like pipes. Yeah, pipe accessories definitely. If it is not right there, I'll tell you how we can place the pipe accessories as well. So for that one, I'll insert some pipe accessories, maybe one or two. It's very simple for the pipe accessories. If I'll go right there, pipes, plumbing. Hmm, pipe accessories do we have? Okay, no worries. We'll load those pipe accessories from our default things. Pipe accessories. For example, thermometer. Suppose thermometer is different one. Uh, these are just like walls we will consider. Walls will place as of now. Isolation wall. Okay. Ball wall I'll place. Single wall. Okay. So for pipe accessories, we have shortcut PA pipe accessories. Right here, you can see the ball wall, and I'll just click on the pipe where I want to place. That's fine. Now, if I want to place in this one as well, placed. Perfect. So that's how we'll simply place the pipe accessories as well. So I guess we have covered all the points. Let me see if we are missing something. Pipes done. Pipe placeholder is the same thing. If I'll create a line from right there, I want to create the pipe. Okay, skip it. Select the that line network that you created. Right here you have convert placeholder option, and that will be the element has open connection. This may be an error, but this one should be. I guess this should not be an issue. You can see the pipe is right there. The warning is like the pipe has open ends. That is why it's showing the warning. No worries about that one. The pipe is converted, is showing line because it's very small dia. If I'll change the dia to 40, you can see this perfect pipe. More than that, if I convert to, yeah, you can see. So the placeholder is like the lines you already created, but you can change them in actual pipes. Okay, and anything. Plug fixtures replaced, the sprinkler replaced. Perfect. Now in my next video, we'll cover the electrical segment as well. We already covered the mechanical. If you did not see, just check it out, that one as well. Okay, thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.